Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan and make PDF with iPhone. It's really simple and easy. You can see this notes application here. You have to tap on this notes. So it's built into this notes app. The notes app come with every iPhone. This is what it look like. And when you open up notes app, just press on this note icon in the bottom right of the page and you will come into a brand new note here. Now all you have to do is you have to press on the camera icon and then you can see this take photo or video, or you can see this option here scan document. You can simply tap on it and then you can simply scan your document as well. That's what you want to do here. As you can see, I don't have any document right now, but you can do it. You could actually go ahead and change the size here if you don't want to scan the whole image or the whole paper, but I do in this case. So tap on this done and it will save for me. If you tap on it, as you can see, there are some photos, and as you can see the quality is very high resolution, and something I couldn't do with my scanner printer combo. So now you could go ahead and spin this around. As you can see here, you can change the filters as well. So that option is here. You can crop as well here. As you can see, when you are happy with it, I'm going to press on done and press on this save here. And as you can see, I just save in my notes. Now I need to send it someone, so tap on this send button here, and now you can simply go for the WhatsApp, mail, wherever you want to send. If you tap on this email directly from here or send it as a message, you will attach that PDF. This is not a JPEG, it will going to be PDF. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to scan and make PDF with iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.